How to fix Aliexpress order unsuccessful. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up the Aliexpress application in your mobile device. So the first method is to go ahead and switch your accounts. For that, tap on the account section. Inside here, tap on settings like icon beside your country flag, and inside settings, scroll below, then tap on sign out. Once you tap on sign out, sign in with different account. You can also go ahead and delete your account if you are done with it for good. So after you're done, the next method is to go ahead and tap on the search icon and then simply search for ships from US. When searching for products, use a filter or keyword to find items that ships from US. So orders from US warehouses tend to bypass these pesky issues. And that is simply how to fix Aliexpress order unsuccessful. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.